I'm Andy, the sugar-free mad scientist, and welcome to my top secret sugar-free laboratory, where I make all your sugar-free dreams come true. Now, a quick show of hands. Who's sick and tired of sugar-free cream cheese frosting? I know I sure am. So I'm going to show you how to make a sugar-free buttercream frosting that'll make you say, For sugar-free buttercream frosting, you'll need 1 teaspoon clear vanilla extract, or flavoring of your choice, and 1 cup sugar-free powdered sugar for every 1/4 cup shortening, better known as Crisco. If you don't already have a sugar-free powdered sugar recipe, you can click on the link here or in the description box below. You're going to want to start off by creaming your shortening in a mixing bowl until well creamed. Then add your flavoring extract and cream that in with the shortening. Add half of your sugar-free powdered sugar mixture and mix that in. Add the rest of your powdered sugar and mix that till well blended. It's going to look really dry and crumbly, but don't worry, it's not ruined. It's going to take about 2 to 3 tablespoons of water. Just add a little bit at a time until you get to the consistency that you like. Now I've found that by tripling this recipe is enough to frost a 9-inch cake. Of course, depending on how much frosting you like. Scrape down the sides of your bowl to make sure that all of your sugar-free powdered sugar gets mixed into your frosting. And now we have this beautiful buttercream frosting. And it tastes amazing. Nothing left to do but frost a cake. Or some cupcakes. Check these out. If you have a sugar-free dream that you'd like to see come true, post a comment and I'll see what I can do. Until next time, stay sweet, the sugar-free way, and don't forget to subscribe to get your all-access pass to my top secret sugar-free laboratory. Click on the links to get more of my great sugar-free recipes, or visit my channel page to find even more.